Hey, how's it going, Mark? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And my name's Devin Norton from SEO Dallas, Texas. The reason why I'm making this video for you, I spoke to a lady named Kelsey yesterday from Earthwise Home Services, and I've actually made you a bunch of these videos over the past. I realized that you actually own a ton of different websites, and I never actually checked out your main website, which is frymire.com. So I'm making this quick video just to show you 3 easy ways you could boost up this website and start bringing in more traffic and more customers from this website. I make these videos because there's a lot of business owners out there that are spending their time running their business and taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And the only thing typically holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and just give them away for free, these business owners still end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this stuff for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve, and you want me to help you out with this stuff, just give me a call and we could chat. If you want to take this information and do it yourself, that's okay too. It's completely free education with no strings attached. I just ask you to send me back a sentence or two of feedback to let me know what you thought about the video. But without further ado, I'm going to talk to you about content, backlinks, and citations. So to start, content is everything on the front page of your website that Google looks through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just phrases that people search into Google to find your business. So there's things like Plumbers Denton, Plumbers Dallas, Plumbers McKinney, stuff like that. Or HVAC, AC, any of those things. Google wants you to have about 1,500 words to 2,000 words on your front page, including all the text that you can read, as well as whatever your image is saved as. So let's take a quick peek. Your website looks great. I like the color scheme. Looks like it's professionally made. If you made this yourself, I'm very impressed because you don't see a lot of people like cross-industry experts where they're plumbing experts and HVAC experts as well as website experts. But from a website design point, it looks great. Google is going to want you to have some more content. You probably have less than 1,000 words on here. You're going to want to have about 1,500, 2,000. One of your competitors I picked was Bewley, who's on the front page if you type in Plumbers McKinney TX. These guys, as you can see, they got quite a bit of content on their page, but they don't have that 1,500, 2,000 words. By doing that, you're going to blow them out of the water. Also, whatever your image is saved as does count. So if you see this image, it's saved as truck. You could say this as like Plumbers McKinney TX or AC McKinney TX. It'll help you rank for that keyword. My next tip is backlinks. Google is like a popularity contest, and they can only like gauge how trustworthy a website you are by seeing how many other trustworthy websites are linking to you. And you want them to be relevant websites. They'll give you a lot more power if it's another plumbing company linking to you than it would be if like Pizza Hut was linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. It does cost about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And it says that you have been around for quite a long time, and you have 90 websites linking to you, which is nothing to scoff at. That's miles ahead a lot of AC techs, HVAC techs, and plumbers are. I want to show you what Bewley's sitting at, though. Bewley, these guys have 42 websites linking to them. But as you see, they're targeting the correct keywords. The keywords you're targeting and you're getting most of your traffic from, if I went to your keywords from the highest volume going downwards, you want to have buyer intent keywords. So like, let's see the first one that pops up. AC repair Wiley TX. That's a good one. Someone's searching this, that means they're ready to buy. 350 people search for that per month. You're on the 6th page for that. Dallas Plumbing, 350 people search for that a month. You're on the 7th page for that. Plumbers Denton TX, 350 people search for that. You're on the 7th page for that. Stuff like that. Plumber Frisco TX, same thing. You're on the 6th page for that. So you want to be targeting these types of keywords in your content, and you're going to want to get more domains pointing back to you. Like if you type in, let's see, Dallas Plumber or something like that. Or what was that keyword? Let's see. I saw it. Dallas Plumbing. Dallas Plumbing. Alright, so like DallasPlumbing.com, exact match. You can check what these guys are doing. These guys have 309 websites linking to them. So you're at 90, they have 309. I would definitely recommend not only getting the right content to target the correct keywords, but also get more websites linking to you. And you could just copy them. I would recommend getting another 200, 250. Just go look at their websites that they're getting links from. Go get them yourself. Smoothsy.com. Go here, join as pro. Ream.com. I think same thing. You would go and like set up yourself as like a Ream. Find a pro. Go put yourself in there, and you could just go down and get all those links. My last tip is citations. When somebody types in Dallas Plumbing and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first plumber that shows up that seems trustworthy. Those are obviously the easiest customers to close, so you want to be right in front of them. People skip these ads all the time from bad experiences in the past or having ad blockers, so you want to rank yourself in the Google My Business or local map pack section, which requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are really common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in. Go list yourself in those same ones and then add a bunch more on top. Like if you got 100 websites, these guys have 100 citations, you want to go and get 150. All right. So those are my tips for you. As a quick recap, Mark, I would recommend getting your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this front page. You're going to want to get more backlinks than your competitors. So instead of having 90 websites pointing at you, you're going to want to have like 350 websites pointing at you. And then go copy what directories these guys are listed in. List yourself on the same ones and add a bunch more on top. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this, Mark, if you want to take this information and apply it to your own website, that's totally okay. I've made quite a few videos of these for you with different companies you own. If you check back in your email or search up this email, you'll see those. But if you want me to help you take care of this stuff, just give us a call. You can see down here, my phone number is 214-441-6737. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And whether you decide to call me back or just send me an email, I do look forward to hearing back from you soon. Have a great day.